We're checking out the JBL Go 3 portable mini speaker, a compact speaker that delivers bold JBL Pro sound in a pocket-sized design. Perfect for travel and outdoor use, it brings powerful bass, rugged durability, and all-day music anywhere you go. What's in the box? In the box, you find the JBL Go 3 mini speaker, USB-C charge cable,
and user manual.
How to pair. To pair the JBL Go 3 portable mini speaker with your Android smartphone, first make sure the speaker is fully charged and Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Press the power button on the speaker to turn it on and wait for the LED light to start blinking, indicating pairing mode. If the light blinks slowly, press the Bluetooth button once to activate pairing mode. Next, open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and refresh the available devices list. When JBL Go 3 appears, tap on it and select Pair when prompted. Once connected, the LED light will stop blinking rapidly, confirming that your speaker is successfully paired and ready to use. How to charge. To charge the JBL Go 3 portable mini speaker, connect the included USB-C charging cable to the USB port on the side of the speaker, then plug the other end into a power adapter, laptop, or another compatible power source. A red LED light will appear to indicate that charging has started and you can continue using the speaker while it charges.
Smart features?
The JBL Go 3 portable mini speaker delivers rich audio with deep bass and clear vocals despite its compact size. Its powerful JBL Pro Sound makes music feel loud, energetic, and immersive anywhere you go. The JBL Go 3 portable mini speaker features a lightweight and pocket-friendly design that's easy to carry anywhere. Its stylish fabric finish and built-in loop make it perfect for travel, outdoor trips, and everyday use. The JBL Go 3 portable mini speaker is built to handle water, dust, and outdoor conditions with its rugged IP67 rating. It's perfect for poolside parties, beach trips, camping, and worry-free everyday listening. The JBL Go 3 portable mini speaker lets you stream music wirelessly from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth devices. It offers a stable and quick connection for smooth, hassle-free listening anywhere. The JBL Go 3 portable mini speaker delivers up to 5 hours of continuous music playback on a single charge. It keeps your music going for outdoor trips, travel, and daily use without frequent recharging.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the JBL Go 3 portable mini speaker from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your JBL Go 3 portable mini speaker. See you at the next one.